On today's final episode of Plant-Based Planet Season 1, I'm on vacation with my whole family in sunny San Diego, California. And I'm going to show you how I maintain my plant-based regimen while on the road. Say what's up, Will. I'm here with the Plant-Based Posse.
Plant-based posse.
We got my man, brother Will. We got
Plant-based.
Plant-based.
I used to eat meat. I started eating plant-based, and now
Hey, yo, these my plant-based partners, you heard?
you heard, all because of Mr. Kwame Love.
On the pathway.
Now, I don't know if Troy realizes, but this is definitely going on. Woo, plant-based. Yeah, that's what plant-based. That's what plant-based living. Woo.
Okay, just something simple.
Hey, say that again, Jordan.
I don't.
Yeah.
That's it. Plant-based posse.
Yeah, what's going? This going to be the plant-based posse sign?
Well, I just do this all the time now. Hang loose.
Yeah,
That's
no.
my thing, man.
Yeah, plant-based posse.
Yeah.
Nah.
Plant-based posse. Plant-based posse.
You heard it first. You heard it first. Right now. Plant-based posse. This is it.
PvP, baby.
PvP. Hey, yo, what's up, Plant-Based Planet? This is Kwame Love. This is Plant-Based Planet on vacation in San Diego. We're at a resort in San Diego. Here, let me show y'all what it's looking like, where we're at. Hopefully y'all can kind of see. Excuse the mess. Now, I don't know what my lighting is like, but man, San Diego is one of our most favorite places to go and be. So that's our view from this window. Here's the ocean. All right, so just to let you all know, I'm working with very little. I went to the store to go find me just some fruits and vegetables. Even at a really nice hotel like this, they have mostly just junk food, to be simple and plain. You know, I'm going to do that too, but like I told you all, I have to start my day with God's food. I have to start with food that is raw, that's not cooked, where all the nutrients and everything has been cooked out of it. So the only thing I brought from home were my chia seeds, because I knew it would be hard to find chia seeds. I bought some ginger from home, and I bought some things of bananas. Now, I was able to walk to the store, and I found some oranges, apples, and cucumbers. And I bought a thing of water. So that's what I bought, and that cost me $18 just for those few items. And then we got our ice from the hotel. Obviously, I brought my Vitamix from home. It may seem like an inconvenience. This allows me to really enjoy my life at a high level. Be able to run, be active. Yeah, this is how we're gonna start our day. So let's jump into it. Real easy. I mean, you've all seen me make 2 smoothies already. We're gonna add our water. Just a little over a cup of water. We don't have any lettuce or anything today. We don't have any knife. So we're just gonna break up our cucumber. Sorry, Vitamix, we're just gonna add our ingredients, what we have. And the great thing about this, I'm not looking for one of those really great tasting smoothies that you can get from a smoothie place like a Jamba Juice or something, and it has the flavored yogurt. And I just strategically looked in the store. It was a little small corner store. I walked 3 miles this morning, y'all, just to get to the store. All right, that should be about 3 tablespoons. Now our ice. This combination of ingredients should be pretty tasty. All right, y'all, so there we go. It's done. It looks good to me. It's that beautiful green. That's the color of the green we're using for season 2, just to give y'all a sneak preview. Still got the rhymes, y'all. Superstore form of law. It's a nice consistency too. And we're on the road, so man, I'm juiced. Get it? Anyway, all right, taste test. See who's the best. I'm not even messing with you. That is incredible. That green apple with the cucumber, because you know green apple is sour but sweet, and then the orange gives it that other layer of sweetness. The cucumber is so cool and refreshing. Like, I really feel like I'm doing a commercial right now. But anybody knows me, I'm not a commercial type brother. And the banana gives it like the sweetness that most people would want, and then the ginger just takes it home. I mean, I feel it working inside me already, man. And I got enough for my family, and I got my chia seeds, y'all. I got my fiber. I'm eating some street tacos while we here. Now, of course, nothing with meat, but probably it's gonna be a lot of sodium. When you got some good fiber in your body, the fiber acts as a buffer. You're eating out in the street, you really don't know what people are using to kind of get you to come back, to get their food. Man, fiber, trust me, you all. That's when I started to have my problems, my health problems, because I wasn't getting enough good fiber. You know, I was eating a lot of greasy French fries, hamburgers.
I know they didn't just say hamburgers.
Hot dogs, it's a lot of spaghetti with ground beef.
Man, they tripping.
I put ketchup on everything I ate. All packed with a lot of sodium and a lot of sugar. Man, this is good stuff. I'm telling you. Plant-Based Planet on vacation in San Diego. And yo, shout out to all my San Diego plant-based posse down here. Chucky P, we had a great time with you yesterday. My man Theo, Annie. I'm down here with the plant-based posse. Y'all will definitely, I'm gonna put some clips in here on my plant-based posse. We're traveling 11 strong, y'all. All right, Plant-Based Planet, we out.
Hey, yo, these my plant-based partners, you heard? Yo, subscribe.